Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this device. You need to start by opening settings. Following that, scroll down and choose sound section. Then scroll down and tap on vibrate vocals. Over here, just click on the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you're ready, click on the back button and scroll all the way down. Then click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to switch off or on those two options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!